Hi everyone, and welcome to this Modify tutorial on modifier basics. Modifiers are what we call our filters and effects. They operate like adjustment layers, but here's the really awesome thing. They are completely non-destructive and real-time adjustable. Let's start by choosing a good-looking image from the stock image browser as a base for our image. This one will work well. It's really simple to select the image and add to canvas. Okay. Now let's also add a few pen strokes to the canvas. I can change the appearance of any of the strokes before or after I have created the vector path. In this case, I'm going to alter the color and hardness of this stroke, and use it as a template for others. Great, those blues match nicely. I'll now duplicate this stroke, and alter some of the vector paths to arrange them better around the image. I'll speed this part up. Okay, nice. Now let's add in our first modifier. I can go to the command bar and type the sort of effect I want to see. In this case, we're going to add a repeater to the project. As soon as we add the repeater, the canvas is updated, and the modifier can be altered in real time. Here I can use the on-canvas gizmo to control the rotation of the repeater, and choose exactly how I would like this repeater to blend with the layers below. I want to make sure the whole image is affected by the repeater. So I'm going to move the location of the repeater modifier to the top of the layer tree. You can see how the relocation of the modifier changes the canvas. Okay, cool. Just a few more tweaks of the modifier properties to get the look I want, and then we can add our next modifier. I want to brighten the image a tiny bit, so I'm going to add a brightness contrast modifier from the command bar. Again, I'll place this at the top of the layer tree so it affects everything below it. Okay, looking nice already, but let's add some more creative modifiers to the project. I'm going to add a halftone luma modifier to make things a little more interesting, and have a good play around with some of the settings to get this looking even better. Just like with the repeater, you can see the different effect this modifier has on the project based on where it appears in the layer tree. It's a lot of fun altering modifier properties and watching the canvas update in real time. Now, let's find a really cool blend mode to apply to the halftone luma. Screen looks awesome, I'm going with that. Now just a few tweaks which I'll speed up. And now, for our final modifier, I want to find something that will add some more impact to the image. I'm hoping that Edge Modifier will do this. That's a little too much change. I still want the image to be mainly light in color. I'll change the blend mode to find something that's more of what I'm looking for. Difference does this perfectly. Okay, just one last tiny tweak here on the halftone luma rotation. I'm really happy with this. But I have one last thing to show you. Can you remember at the start when I said that modifiers were non-destructive and affected the canvas in real time? This means I can alter any layer and have the whole stack update instantly. Watch as I move around some of the elements. I can even completely replace the image at the bottom of the stack with another stock image and have the canvas recreated with that new image in real time. Let's find a different image and swap it in. This one will look great. Once I've got it positioned how I want, I can hide the original image and see what effect the new image has. Nice! I hope you enjoyed learning the basics about modifiers today. We'll be creating more tutorials that cover more complex aspects of modifiers very soon, so please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel to see them. Thanks.